Zig, where are you going? Where are you going, Zigo? Missy, Asi, Asi, Zigo. Zig, Asi, 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 Asi. Good boy. Asi. Talagang ayaw. Hi, Shiva. 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 Ooh. What is you, silly boy, Z? Hey, what are you doing there? Where's your ball? Get your ball. Get your ball, Zig. Zigo. Nasaan ang bola mo? Nasa loob. Nasa loob ang bola ni Zig. Hindi siya makakapaglaro ng fetchy-fetchy. No fetchy-fetchy for now, Zig. Where are you? Boji? Zig? There you are. My beautiful flower. So cute. Hey. Walking with my doggies outside the house. It's just a minute time out for them to relax and enjoy. And eating shit. Eating the shit, Shiva. Why are you eating that shit? What is that, Shiva? 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 What is that? What is that you're eating? Later you're going to have a tummy upset. Sitting like a human being. There you are. What are you eating, Shiva? Ew! What is that? I'm sitting with my doggies outside the house. It's just a minute out. My house is not so huge, right? Roaming around for an hour, for a minute. That's my huge house. Shall we go, guys? Let's go in. Let's bolt in. Nice. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And I have a huge roses. Huge roses. Almost finished the whole thing. Where's my cigar? My cigar! There you are, cigar. Let's go. Come on. Finish. Time out is over. Come on, Shiva. Shiv. Go inside. Go in. Go, Shiva. Come on. We're in the back of the house. And we're going in. Shiva, go in. Yay, we're in the kitchen. And we're in going to eat their food. But still so early. We're going to room. Inside the house, roaming around. And that's my beautiful rose. So pretty, right? So cute. Hey, stop it, guys. Zig. No. Not inside the house, okay? There is your ball, Zigo. Where's your ball? Oh, it's in your mouth already. Get your ball. Put it in your basket. You don't know what to take, huh? You want to take the whole thing, huh? Ay, guys. Every day alone with my dog is so boring, but so fun. And so cute. My dogs are so awesome. They're just going to eat their ball. That's their teeter. They're just having their tooth for now. And that's my beautiful house. Awesome house with lots of plants. Awesome, right? And all of that is created by Mikael and Madam Inga and Stefan. This created by Madam. So cute, right? Just playing like that. You know what is this? This is just a metal, like a small bar thing, and then she put a white cement on it and make it like this. It's so fun. And it's so awesome, so cute. Now where are we going? I don't want to go to the house, into my room, because my room is really, really a mess. A mesmerize. Goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow.